Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about Jupiter Exchange on Phantom Wallet. So if we talk about what is Jupiter Exchange is like a small shopping assistant for trading crypto on Solana. So when we want to swap one token from another, we have to look at different websites to find best deal for us. But on Phantom Wallet, we have Jupiter Exchange. It helps us do this easily without having to think too much about where should we find best deal. If we talk about how you can connect your Phantom Wallet to this Jupiter Exchange, as we are on the home page of our Phantom Wallet, you can see the Discover option in the bottom. By clicking on that option, this interface will appear. Here you can see different tokens, and in the bottom you can see the option Trending Sites. And on these sites you can see the first one, Jupiter. Click on that. Here you can see. So here for connecting Jupiter to your wallet, click on the option Connect in the top. Here in top wallet you can see Phantom Wallet. Simply click on it. Now on Connect. Here our wallet has been connected. As you can see now on top, you can see the Phantom Wallet icon. That's mean our wallet has been connected. Now I will tell you how you can use that. Here on Jupiter Exchange you can see the options Instant, Trigger and Recurring. Instant basically let you swap token immediately at the best price, and Trigger allow you to set a price alert. It's like setting a buying and selling limit. And Recurring lets our schedule regular token swipe automatically. Here these are the options you can access on Jupiter Exchange. Now if we convert our Phantom Wallet from spot to preps, here you can see different graphs. We have to first accept and continue. Here you can see different graphs to see what are the position of these coins. Here you can see Solana's position, Ethereum's position, and similarly you can see tokens here as well. And more you can see Jupiter Station, governance, research, lock, launchpad and onboard. In Jupiter Space Station you can learn more about Jupiter, swap, limit order, DCA, value average, preps, GLP and all that. That was all about Jupiter Exchange feature on Phantom Wallet. If you found this video useful, do share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.